I was having severe pain in my shoulder, thought it was rotator cuff, you know, that I had damaged it because I had fallen. And I thought that that's what it was, and it just gotten worse. And that wasn't it. It needed a replacement. But I wasn't concerned because I trusted Dr. Patterson. He did such a fabulous job the first time. And so I said, hey, what are you fighting for? He did such a good job with the first one. Why fight the second one? So I went in to see him, and I went to surgery, and 27 hours later, I was home. It's such a fabulous surgery. The results are so great. I can sleep. Above all things, I can sleep. I can extend my arms. I can do anything I want to do without pain and discomfort. It's unbelievable.